So we're leaving now to go where?
State Diner.
State Diner?
Yeah.
Where's that?
Downtown. I hate this.
I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you.
I know that did that.
Yeah, they're weird. This whole place caught on fire.
Really?
I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about
Is it good? Thank you. I forgot my keys. Not my keys. I got the keys. I forgot my phone. Got it. Bye, Mags.
She got freedom. 'Cause when her heart breaks, no, it don't break either.
I dream of you.
Is this the makeout spot?
Oh yeah.
Thinking about you.
Signo.
Yeah.
That?
Yeah.
It's a frat house?
Yeah, they had like slope day. They had Afrojack here.
Really?
I've been thinking about you.
I don't know if it's easier to go down that way.
So she's lost already.
What?
Nothing.
I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. I dream of you. I breathe the same that you do. But do I swim with you? Do I dream the same dreams you do? I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you.
Successful crossing.
I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you.
Why? She's really scared. I think it's cool. You happy?
I don't like that.
I dream of you. I breathe.
This is beyond sketch with this camera. Okay. We made it.
Do I swim with you? Do I dream the same dreams you do? I've been thinking about. I dream of you. I've been thinking about. I breathe the same that you do. But do I swim with you? Do I dream the same dreams you
Bye, waterfall.
I think you should take like a photography class.
Yeah?
So you know what you're doing with that.
I'd rather not.